second straight snow game. Charlie, this is even thicker weather than Wednesday night as we're underway with an orange ball.
Yes, this is thick. These are difficult conditions to play in. And against these three, he should have his day.
Here's Christensen now, sliding it inside. Boateng coming across back to Arnor. Curling cross for Books, who elevates, heads it off the post. Just a few inches from the first goal in this game. Lehman delivers. Get another chance here, Boateng. Nice cut there. Boateng, low cross this time. Back to him again. Farrell gets a turn. To the back stick it goes. Knocked down. It's loose. Boateng buries the ball in the snow. One nothing Revs.
Keeps it low on the ground, near post. There's nothing Zach McMath can do. Zach McMath, he's in a good position.
Now Miram. Here's a counter-attack opportunity, a promising one for Miram, for Wood. Earl Edwards slides in to make the save and keep it a 1-0 game. And Schmidt's cross is blocked well by A.J. De La Garza. Here's Gillette. He's really been good since joining the Revs. Two former Galaxy players combining to win it for New England. Now Maciel. Gillette again, cross for Buxa, heads it goalwards, and Josie Altidore has his first goal as a member of the Revs. Welcome to the club, Josie. Look how thrilled the teammates are.
The subs make a difference, instant impact. Carlos Heel trying to find teammates, but it gets down to the right flank. Sebastian Lletget whips in a beautiful ball, flip for Buxa, onto Altidore, who just guides it home. It's a great flick, right into the path of Josie Altidore.
His in-swinging ball. Glad. Oh, loose. It's off the post, off the crossbar, I should say. And then Bobby Wood had a swing at it. Earl Edwards got a hand to it. McMath did not look that certain. He had to slow down his steps to gather and ended up doing a good job. But for a second, oh, that's going the wrong way for the Revs. This could be a break. Bobby Wood taken down from behind. Drew Fisher, and it's tucked home by Cordova. Drew Fisher let play continue. He had the whistle to his mouth, was going to call a penalty, but then ended up seeing that it was a scoring chance.
And it would have been a penalty because he was not playing the ball. But Drew Fisher let the play continue because it was an advantage.
Bruce Arena, minutes can't melt away quickly enough for him. Ruiz stands up a tricky ball in. Oh, it's in, 2-2. We said anything could happen down there, and it has.
They're saying the ball was moving forward when he struck it.
Ruiz now, he's been good. Saul Lake. Schmidt giving chase. Nice play. Loffelsen lays it back. A winner? Yes, it is. That is unbelievable. Schmidt slides in the snow. The comeback complete. But that is maybe the last kick of the game. That's unbelievable.
You see Taylor Schmidt, Loffelsen there. He gets it back to him and just curls it beautifully. Side netting around Earl Edwards Jr. The Revs don't close him down. He has just enough space.
And I don't really know what to say from a Revolution perspective, but they have maybe seconds. Nope, it's over. They lose at home. It's not a good loss. You can't blame the weather for that finish.